Let's now go through string type. So, the string data type represents a sequence of characters. So, strings are enclosed inside single quotes. Both single one and double one are working correctly, but if you want to follow the better practices, then you have to use single one. ECMAScript 6 also include these ticks for string interpolation. Strings also can be concatenated using plus operator. And here an example. I have let s, which is equal to welcome to TypeScript, and this will be from data type string. Then I can have let name equals John, and here I'm making string concatenation. So John plus empty space plus $. Then to the end, I'm making string interpolation, and what I'm doing, I'm saying let greeting equals to open one tick and the other one, so our expression is surrounded by two ticks. Here I'm saying $, and open curly brace, and basically that means that this thing will actually return s. After that I have comma and space, which is actually a string. This is parsed a string. And I have again $, two curly braces, and the name of variable. So when you do this syntax, everything you put here actually is coming from the code. So that's not a string. That will invoke some variable from your source code. For example, as we invoke s and name variables. And everything which is between that, like this thing, this is just a string. And here what we receive. When I say console.walk from greeting, I receive welcome to TypeScript. This welcome to TypeScript is actually this part. String interpolation with this string welcome to TypeScript. Then I have comma and space, which is this part of the string, and then I have John Doe. John Doe is again this part of string interpolation, where I'm getting the name variable and I print it inside my console. Let's continue with next example. So, saying hello example. Concatenating the two names of a person to obtain his full name. And here a note that a space is missing between the two names and we have to add it manually. So I have here let first name equals my string and the last name. Then inside console.walk I'm saying hello, comma space plus first name plus this mark. Then I'm saying let full name equals first name plus space, exactly this is for this node, plus last name. And I'm printing on the console your full name is, and here we're getting the value of first name. After that we have the space that we added, and then the second name. And this is the result, this is what you'll see on your console. How we can parse string to numbers? Well, we already mentioned about that, but let's review it once again. So strings for sure can be parsed to numbers data type, and floating point and rounded, which is integer. The trivial way to parse string to a number is using the function parse integer and parse float. So here I have some string which is surrounded by single quotes 1, 2, 3, and this is stored inside a variable with name number string. Then what I'm printing on my console, I say console.walk, and I'm printing parse int, and here I parse the string. So parseInt is a function which is receiving a string and it's returning integer data type, and it's printing 1, 2, 3. Then I'm defining let float string equals 12.3, and I want to parse it to float data type. Then I'm saying console.walk because I want to print on the console, and here I'm saying parse float. Again, parse float is a function which is receiving string, and actually after that it returns float data type. This thing will print on the console 12.3, but not a string as floating data type. So parseInt and parse float exhibit stranger behavior. If a non-number string starts with a number, only the number is extracted. And here the example. If I have let str equals string 1, 2, 3 hello, then if I print it on the console with parse integer, passing this, I'll print only 1, 2, 3. And because now this will not throw exception because I have the text, it will actually just ignore it and it will extract the numbers and actually will parse them and return them.